shot that will make you have a double take right now. But before we start, I would like to introduce myself. Good day, everyone. I am Wayne Michael Pajarillo Masangkay, your newscaster for today. At first glance, it looks like a giant's foot in dark green track pants and black and white sneakers is about to stomp on a tiny person who appears to be shielding themselves in the distance. The scene is set outdoors on paved surface with tall green trees and bright blue sky with wispy clouds in the background. This classic forced perspective trick, the giant's foot is actually held very close to the camera lens, while the second person stands far away at just the right spot to make them look tiny and directly in the path of the shoe. It's proof that when it comes to seeing the world, sometimes our eyes only tell half of the story. All it takes is a clever camera angle to rewrite reality. Is that a pair of giant flowers, or is someone reaching out for something way bigger than it seems? This playful shot will have you second guessing what your eyes are telling you. At first glance, it looks like a person in a white t-shirt and dark green track pants with white stripes is standing in a grassy outdoor setting, reaching out to hold or touch two enormous yellow flowers that seems to tower over them. The scene is set on a paved surface with lush green vegetation, trees, and a bright blue sky with fluffy clouds stretching out of the background. It's all down to force perspective. The flowers are actually being held close to the camera lens, by other hand, just out of the full view, while the person stands several steps away at exactly the right position. It is a fun reminder that with little creativity and the right camera angle, we can turn ordinary flowers into something truly larger than life. Is that a giant plastic bottle, or is your brain playing tricks on you again? This mind-bending shot will have you take a double look right now. At first glance, it looks like a tiny person is about to drink juice out of it. This is a masterful example of perspective manipulation and camera angle trick. The plastic bottle is actually a normal bottle, and the person stands far away at the right angle to make it look like he's drinking out of it. It is a perfect demonstration of how our brains rely on visual clues to tell prop down. That person trapped inside a photo frame? Or is this another genius twist on how we see the world? This dreamy shot will have you wondering where reality ends and where art begins. At first glance, it looks like a hand holding a white photo frame up in front with a person standing inside the photo frame's borders facing away. This is a clever combination of forced perspective and careful positioning. The hand holds the empty frame close to the camera lens while the person stands far away, exactly aligned so they appear to be inside the frame. It is a beautiful reminder that with little imagination, we can blend the world of photography and reality into something truly magical. Looking for a shot that feels like a warm embrace? This dreamy portrait is pure elegance and softness rolled into one. The image features a person in white t-shirt with warm lighting creating a gentle, nostalgic mood. A beautiful example of how simple settings and thoughtful styling can truly create timeless portraits. To see how a single gesture can speak volumes, this black and white portrait is full of subtle emotion and grace. The photo shows a person in a white t-shirt against a rocky background. They gently cover part of their face with one hand with a soft, visible smile. The monochrome style emphasizes texture and emotion, creating an intimate, timeless feel. Prove that sometimes the most powerful expressions are the ones we don't fully see. Who's behind the camera? Or is the camera behind them? This fun meta shot turns the table on how we think about photography. The photo features a person in black and white top and jeans standing by a metal fence, with greenery and water visible in the background. They hold a small camera up to one eye as if taking a picture. It's a great reminder that the best photos often happen when we are trying to have fun while playing with this perspective. Ever had a moment where you wanted to pause time or create a little distance? This black and white shot captures exactly that feeling in visually stunning way. The image shows a person with long hair outdoors, framed by tree branches and partly cloudy sky. Their hand extends toward the camera. Palm in sharp focus, face softly blurred, the monochrome style emphasizes light and shadow, turning a simple gesture into a compelling scene about connection and boundaries. A beautiful reminder that sometimes the most powerful images comes from turning ordinary gesture into extraordinary visual stories.
Good afternoon, Philippines. I'm Jerome Padlan, reporting live from a quiet, open space here in Binangonan, Rizal. Right next to me, what might look like just an ordinary scene tells a deeper story. A young individual takes time to sit with the landscape under a vast sky in the partial shelter of a large red umbrella. A lone figure sits contemplating the horizon, a scene that captures a moment of quiet reflection amidst the expansive landscape. And just step away, see this band in action. Two young people were in a beautiful place, a woman giving a small tree to her friend. Locals officials say that they are taking notes of these grassroots movements and are exploring ways to support similar effort with resources and designated green zones across the town. For now, it's clear that here in Binangonan, growing with nature isn't just an idea. It's a practice taking root one sapling, one moment at a time. The next photo includes the two girls showing the illusion of one headless person wearing a blue jacket and a girl showing only her head while hiding underneath the bridge. The last one is an illusion of a person lying on the ceiling. But in reality, it is a photograph of a person that is lying on the ground. And the photo is edited to be upside down to make it look like the person is lying on the ceiling. Again, this is Jayon reporting from Binangonan, Rizal.
Good morning, everyone. This is Rui Villanueva from Binangonan, Rizal, reporting today to show you all how the creativity in a simple photography can be noticed by just observing carefully. These 8 photos are a mix of illusion and simple photograph. This first photo demonstrates an illustrate of the boy being in the giant foreground that makes the girl tiny on his shoulder. What can you say about this photo, Jaron?
Yes, Rui, it's a great piece of illusion. I like the way the boy is being the giant and the girl is tiny.
That is great. Now, the last photo of an illusion shows the person arm placed on the building, showing how relaxed he is about the fact that he can put his arm on the building. And now, let us now focus on the simple photograph. The first one is a book placed on the person's face. It looks like he's getting bored on the reading book, isn't he? And now, some of us humans really do get bored with reading different types of books. So now, this second photo also shows that the girl resting her head while looking at the book that she's reading about. The third photo shows the person posing and her hands held on the railing. It really do looks good, especially when you pose for a photo. Next, now it is a photography of a girl riding a swing while looking at the court. The fifth one is a photo of a person modeling while sitting on a small bench with a background of grasses. And now, the last one is a photograph of a boy looking at the skies, feeling the breeze, feeling the peace, and is it like reconnecting with the beautiful nature. This amazing photography have each story, and it is beautiful reminder that sometimes every photography can simplify show the creativity of each models. Once again, I am Rui Villanueva, your reporter that is always here to broadcast beautiful masterpieces.
Want to see how a single gesture into one? The image feature a person wearing earphones. The playful form from him and kids standing by a metal fence. It's really wild.
Afternoon, Philippines. I'm Jayron Padlan, reporting live from a quiet open space here in Banangan. It takes time to sit with the Afternoon, Philippines. I'm Jayron Padlan, reporting live.
Good morning everyone. This is Rui Villanueva. Wait lang, nabulol ako.
Go. Introduce muna.
Thank you!